In a world where cyber threats evolve faster than ever and data breaches can cost companies millions, the need for strong, visionary cybersecurity leadership has never been more critical. Today, organizations face complex challenges. Every day we are fending off new threats. But it's not about firewalls anymore. It's about strategy, governance, and foresight. With rising cyber attacks, regulatory pressures, and the demand for always-on digital services, we need security leaders who understand risk, not just from an IT lens, but from a business standpoint. That's what a CISO brings to the table.
TÜV SÜD is proud to introduce CISO Career Path, a globally recognized program that gives professionals the credentials, competence, and confidence to lead information security from the front. Because CISO isn't just about technology, it's about vision, influence, and resilience. Our certified CISO Career Path equips professionals with a 360-degree view of compliance, cloud, privacy, AI, and business continuity.
TÜV SÜD certified CISO program is built around 7 comprehensive modules. It's practical, industry-aligned, and future-ready. Each module is a distinct course with its own certification. These cover executive leadership essentials like governance, risk management, security program management, compliance, and incident response. These programs were crafted with one goal in mind: to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and the real-world impact. We curated these career path courses to ensure every module reflects today's threat landscape and also tomorrow's. Whether you are an educator, an aspiring analyst, or a CISO looking to empower your team, these qualifications are designed to elevate the expertise and validate the value.
If you have been managing firewalls, audits, or compliance for years, now is your time to lead. TÜV SÜD CISO Career Path will help you to develop true information security leadership, grow with a broader strategic vision, demonstrate competence with a globally trusted credential, be ready to guide your organization through cyber risk, compliance, and digital transformation.
Cybersecurity is no longer optional. It's a business enabler. And a CISO, they are the game changer.
Step into the future of cybersecurity leadership and become a TÜV SÜD certified CISO. Because in today's digital world, security isn't just an IT function, it's a business imperative.